Powerworld R290 Heating Cooling Heat Pump is a multipurpose unit with zero carbon emissions. Meet the needs of heating, cooling and DHW throughout the year. Even in the cold winter, the indoor temp is constant and comfortable. The maximum outlet water temp of air-to-water heat pump is as high as 75 degrees Celsius, which can be applied to houses with various heat preservation conditions. With multiple noise reduction technologies, the noise is as low as 43 dB, allowing you to enjoy extremely quiet sleep.